Salams, namaste, and welcome to day 269 of the Quran habit. Have you ever found yourself mesmerized by the beauty of nature? Today, we'll explore how the Quran speaks to the relationship between humanity and the natural world. Verse 638 says, "And there is no animal that crawls on the earth, no bird flying with its wings, but they are communities, like you." We have neglected nothing in the book. Then to their Lord will they all be mustered. وَمَا مِن دَابَّةٍ فِي الْأَرْضِ وَلَا طَائِرٍ يَطِيرُ بِجَنَاحَيْهِ إِلَّا أُمَمٌ أَمْثَالُكُم مَّا فَرَّطْنَا فِي الْكِتَابِ مِن شَيْءٍ ثُمَّ إِلَى رَبِّهِمْ يُحْشَرُونَ. The Quran encourages us to observe and appreciate the natural world and teaches us that all creatures are communities comparable to us. Everything in the natural world is spiritually significant, from the lowest of the low to the highest of the high. Allah's creation has rights like us and will return to Him just like us. We are all interconnected in a sacred web of life. Implicitly, we are encouraged to be in spiritual harmony with nature as co-inhabitants of the earth. The Quran offers a unique perspective on the beauty and majesty of the natural world. It encourages us to look for the signs in the universe and within ourselves to find the truth. Recite and ascend.